everyone, I'm Lara Hermosa.
Tayo Mark Raven, ES Tejero.
Kristen Dayan.
This is Raf.
I'm Joshua Alcalde. Caleb Rubio.
I'm Ace.
My name is Kat.
I am Ethan Mishona.
Ako si Joram.
Magandang hapon mga ka-inspirasyon. Ako si Jessica Mikesel at ako ang founder ng Inspirasyon PH Children's Community Outreach.
Di ko rin alam eh. Pero every time I heard their stories,
Nung nakita ko rin yung vision and yung purpose, sobrang ganda and sobrang inspiring.
Nakita ko and experience ko mismo kung paano siya fulfilling in a way na we're reaching the next generation.
Ano yung mga pwede namin gawin para makatulong sa kanila? Maging kasangkapan or kagamit-gamit sa Panginoon.
To make a difference in
to get to know to each other.
To help other people.
At para maging inspirasyon talaga sa mga bata.
I'm looking forward to building relationships with these kids and hearing their stories about how they're changed by God's Word.
Imparting them the greater things, values. Yun talaga yung gusto kong maturo din at may invest sa mga kabataan. Gusto ko rin gumabay at turuan yung mga bata.
Kung ano yung pwedeng gawin ng Lord sa mga buhay nila.
And then of course, I'm looking forward to help more children.
To share my life to them. Because I believe that as their kuya, marami akong mga pwedeng ibahagi sa kanila.
also excited to see myself grow as a person while serving others.
To be more supportive and competitive.
And nakikita ko po talaga everyone would have the same purpose and heart.
Yung maraming sumuporta sa Inspiration PH.
So for our future sponsors and future members, I just want to encourage you everyone that what we're doing here is not just for this time, but we believe that it will really impact the lives of the kids and also the lives of their families.
Ito po talagang ginagawa namin for the next generation, and this is not something na ginagawa lang namin for fun, but we are really putting our hearts and efforts para dito sa mga ginagawa namin na to. And
If you want to be part of our team or if you want to be our partners,
pwede po kayong mag-donate, pwede po kayong mag-give generously.
Together, we can give them a chance to dream and
For the sake of the children and for the sake of them bringing them to the Lord. Talagang we accept anything. We really appreciate that this group of people empowered to
help each other one another and spread the gospel.
Sana po supportahan niyo yung grupo namin. And if you wish to be a member of the group,
Thank you in advance. And of course, I know that God will bless you more.
2019, that was the time na nag-start ang Inspirasyon PH. Mahilig kasi ako pumunta sa kwarto ng kuya ko and then mahilig ako magsulat ng mga captions about God. Hindi ko ina-expect na biglang papasok sa mind ko yung word na Inspirasyon PH. I believe that word is from God. Nagkaroon din ako ng time then also to invite other students na kakilala ko din to create starting of Inspirasyon PH, and that is calligraphy. During that span of pandemic, nagpo-post kami sa Facebook about inspiring. Kasi 'di ba pag pandemic that time, COVID-19, iba't iba yung mga naramdaman natin. Hanggang sa nakabuo na kami ng mga iba't ibang calligraphies na tungkol kay God. And then, 2020, ito naman yung time na nagsuggest yung group ko na magkaroon ng YouTube. Kumbaga, we invite different Christians or personalities na makapag-share din sila ng gospel through our video and through YouTube. 2022, ito na yung peak na masasabi ko sa Inspirasyon PH kasi this is the time na pumunta ako sa puntod ng daddy ko. And then, meron kasi doon 3 bata na mahilig sila maglaro, ganon. And then, gusto ko silang kausapin pero hindi ko alam kung paano kasi meron din akong fear that time baka may reject din ako ng mga bata. Pero kinatok ni God yung puso ko na wag kong susukuan yung mga batang yon. Nagpakilala ko bilang estudyante, bilang isang guro. Doon na nagsimula din na kung paano ko din sila tinuruan about basic education, and din yung naging tool ko para makapag-share ako ng gospel with them. Nagulat din ako dahil mas gusto pa nilang matuto pa. Doon na tumagal yung videos namin about children's. Doon na nag-start. Bumubuo na kami ng mga outreach programs that talk about education system. Na even though hindi kami lahat ay professional teachers, pero we believe that we can expand our strength to have a heart for the future generation. And we would like to contribute also in the Philippines that what the education system was, and Inspiration PH is a avenue also to have a contribution to have a improvement in our country. So 5 years din na Inspiration PH. Kung iisipin mo, ang daming magaganda kasi maraming magagaling. Lahat sila, meron silang mga strength, meron din silang leadership skills that they can contribute. Kung pipiliin ko, payapa, I think payapa. Kasi that time, hindi ko rin in-expect na makakausap ako ng iba't ibang tao din in that content. Kasi God gave me a avenue with that people na makakasama ko. And kaya nasabi kong payapa din yung content. Kasi yun yung content din na gusto ko din ipakita din sa mga bata na sila din, meron din silang peace of mind na pwede nilang mas maramdaman pa. Yun talaga yung personal dream ko sa Inspiration PH na magkaroon kami ng sariling center para sa mga bata. Kasi gusto din namin magkaroon ng contribution, hindi lang para sa amin, pero sa bansa natin. Ito din yung masasabi ko na aabotin namin to, abot sa makakaya namin. Hindi siya ganun kadali dahil we are starting as a group, but having them, their different leadership skills, different strength, masasabi ko sa kanila na visionary sila mag-isip. Malaki yung motivation nila sa Inspiration PH, and naniniwala ko na mangyayari yon dahil mga parte ng Inspiration PH ay sila yung mga motivational speaker din ng mga bata.